Hey guys, welcome back to Ball Lover 238 and Wolfie here, and today I'm at my Uncle Adam's house right now, and we're gonna launch some fireworks right now. So as you can see, the rest are outside, so I'm gonna go outside. Mojo, stay. Stay, Mojo, stay. Stay. Good boy. Mojo, stay. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry, Hunter. But yeah, everybody else is outside right now.
Every other team's not.
So yeah.
So do y'all need to move that pole?
So yeah.
Are you gonna light it, Dad?
Yeah, I was gonna put
It is like sprinkling rain out here. Yeah, right now it is like sprinkling rain out here, and we're gonna launch some.
Is that your t-shirt?
Okay, I stepped on a leaf. I thought I stepped on a vegetable or something.
I want a sparkler.
Oh my god, they have cookie cake. I'm gonna try that one. Cookie cake is so delicious.
Sparkler?
Yeah. Oh, they're about to lit up one. They're about to lit up a firework.
I got all my grandkids here.
Wait.
And my boys.
Got the whole gang here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Lucy's lighting up a sparkler. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's gonna pop.
Oh.
Let's save this for the daytime.
They call them the cousin crew.
Why is it not? Oh, it's a smoke bomb. Okay. Can I have a sparkler, please? I really want a sparkler.
The wind.
I had to eat a half a burger by itself.
Oh, just a patty.
Oh. It's about to blow. It's about to blow. Cover your ears.
Woo, that's pretty.
Kids fireworks first and adults last.
All right.
Good potato salad.
Can I have a sparkler, please?
Last time I came, I made some, remember?
That's right. That's right.
Here, the sparklers right there,
Oh, and
guys.
we have some banana pudding. And it was
So yeah.
So, been a long time since I've had banana pudding. So, my wife made it. I bet it's pretty good. I bet it is.
Oh my god.
Oh, I bet it is too.
So,
These two girls are here.
Can I have a sparkler?
Dang it, it doesn't
Yeah,
work.
these two, the two in the orange and red are hunters.
That's right. Those are
Mima, can I lit up a sparkler, please? I really want to lit up a sparkler.
light up.
And the guy is her boyfriend.
That's right.
Hey, touch your sparkler to Callie's sparkler.
Oh my god. It's raining right now, you guys.
Whose phone is that?
That's my phone.
Oh, it's Callie.
I don't want to get in the smoke.
Oh, because I'm like, why are you using my sister's
We
phone?
lit up your sparkler.
Oh, be careful. Oh, do it on his.
Look here. Hurry, put it on there. Oh no, look, turn around. Look.
Oh, yeah, wrong end.
Oh, wrong end. Okay.
Hurry up.
About to get lighted.
Woo!
Hey,
Woo!
Cast a spell.
It's raining, so I don't want to get my phone all wet. Yeah? What is it?
Light mine.
All right, I'll light up yours. Oops, I got caught in the smoke.
Lucy,
It's okay, my mom washes my
watch out.
brand new sweater. Oh God. Oh God, oh God. Go. Oh God. Lots of smoke everywhere.
Oh, look at the smoke Smoke everywhere. Daddy, can you hold this?
Alright guys, I will not record anymore because I'm afraid to my phone to get wet. So yeah, I will not record any more fireworks. The rest of the fireworks actually. So no, I will not record any more fireworks. Mom? Okay. So yeah guys. Woo! Okay. I will not record the rest of the fireworks. So yeah, unfortunately guys, I will not record the rest of the fireworks because it's raining right now. So yeah, I'm ending this video right now. Happy New Year 2022. Tomorrow is going to be the beginning of 2022. Tomorrow is going to be January 1st. And we could still watch Mickey's Christmas Carol, right Mom? Right, Mima? Uh-huh. We can still watch Mickey's Christmas Carol, even though it's not the Christmas season anymore. But I did watch it this morning. So yeah. Yeah, I watched it this morning. I only watched part of it though. So yeah. Hope you guys had a great New Year's Eve. Happy New Year 2022. So yeah, I will not be posting any videos anymore. Just only the fireworks. This is my last video for tonight. And my last video for 2022. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And please subscribe. Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2022. We love you all. Bye.